Alright, so I have the new updated kit for, and it's one of the TXRace kits for the updated plastics. Comes with new brackets. Missing a bracket on this side. I bought this secondhand, so I'm missing this piece right here. I contacted the company itself. They said they don't sell individual pieces. I'd have to rebuy the whole thing, so I'm not doing that. So a solution that I've come up with is I got one of these pieces of ABS plastic. I took a piece of cardboard, fit it in, and that's what I need. So I took this out, traced the outline here. I'm going to cut it out. All right, so I've trimmed the ABS plastic the same way. By the way, I got this off of Amazon for, ooh, look at me. I got this off Amazon for about $12. It comes in a I guess 1 foot by 1 foot. It's flexible. Same ABS plastic that they make the plastics out of anyway. All right, so we're gonna place this inside and bend it a bit. All right, so we shoved it up in there. Looks like this side's up a little bit more than that side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this down a bit, and I'm gonna come in from the back side with 2 bolts with a nut on each side. Go back and hold this in, and probably a lock nut as well. All right, I have a mark on the back side, about even on both sides. It's overlapping. Looks good now. Looks real good. All right, so I'm gonna drill through on these 2. I got 2 small bolts, 2 lock nuts, and 2 washers. All right, and there you have it. It's 2 little bolts. Doesn't look too bad. It's about the same as the bolts below it. Hold on the mud flap. It looks good. I got short bolts so it doesn't poke out too much on this side. So this will stop all this dirt from getting inside of my air box. So now I'm gonna clean all this out and hopefully it won't happen again. Thanks for watching.